Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Have you ever wondered how the TVs in bars, hotels, showrooms, railway stations and airports have the same video playing on all their TVs and also in sync? They use a device called a HDMI splitter, where they split a single HDMI input signal and send it to multiple output devices. You might be wondering how that's going to help me. I have a couple of use cases at home, so keep watching to find out what they are. This is the OREI HD102, a 1-input, 2-output HDMI splitter. Let's see what we have inside the box. We have a customer service card. Let's get to the splitter a bit later and see what else is in the box. A USB-A to barrel port power connector, warranty card, nice little manual. Now for the splitter. It's made of metal, feels quite robust. In front we have a copy auto toggle switch, a power port, HDMI port and a LED. This is the HDMI input port. On the rear we have two HDMI output ports. There is a LED for each port to know which one is active. The switch in front marked copy auto. This affects how the splitter acts. The splitter is right now in auto mode. The splitter can take an input up to 4K 60Hz, and if you have two 4K displays, both of them will display in 4K. But even if one of the displays has a max resolution of 1080p, then the output is provided in 1080p on both devices. My portable display is only 1080p and the bigger display is 4K, but both are displayed in 1080p as that's the lowest resolution connected. Using the EDID or extended display identification data, the splitter knows exactly the capabilities of the connected devices. If set to copy, the splitter takes into account the display connected to HDMI port 1. If it's at 4K, it outputs at 4K. And here you have the bigger monitor only turning on, and the second display doesn't display anything as it doesn't support 4K resolution. Now I am interchanging the cables and both the displays are now active because it is running at only 1080p as I had connected the portable monitor to HDMI 1. And there we have it, same image on two separate displays. The audio is also split between the two displays. The input could be anything, a set-top box, laptop, PC, game console, almost any device with a HDMI output. Another use case is that you have a TV and a projector attached to your splitter, and if you want to watch on the TV and just turn that on and the image is displayed. But if you want a bigger display, that is a projector, just turn on the projector too, and this way you can have an image on both the displays and can turn on what you want to watch whenever you want to and not have to change cables between them. One important point is that this device cannot be used to extract the audio to a soundbar. It needs to be connected to the display, and from there you can connect an external audio device and the sound would work. But if you connect one of the splitter outputs to a soundbar directly, it will not work. If you have more than one display device and you want to display the same feed on both of them, maybe in different rooms or even separate floors, a HDMI splitter would be the best to get that done. So that was the OREI HD102. If you need to split the signal to more devices, you can pick up the HD104 and the HD108. As the name suggests, the 104 splits to 4 devices and the 108 splits to 8 devices. Do you use a HDMI splitter at home? What is your use case? Make sure to comment below. So that was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.